Hey guys, it's Matt here with Rancho Suspension and Shocks at the 2018 SEMA show here in Las Vegas. One of the hottest vehicles this year is the new Jeep Wrangler JL. Check out this bad boy from Twisted Jeeps out of Moab, Utah. It comes equipped with a 3.5-inch crawler system that includes new control arms, corner-specific oils, and you can tune it to the shock you want. Our RS9000XL adjustable or the RS5000X. Both come equipped with our DRS technology. Let's check out what's on this vehicle today. Up front on this Jeep, you'll notice the Ace front bumper mounted up with the Warren Xeon 10,000 winch. The first things you'll notice is the 40-inch Milestar Patagonia MT wrapped around an Ultra Wheel V-Lock. Also working with Ace for their fenders, their bumpers, their rock sliders, lifetime LED on their lights for some rock lights. Bartech makes some awesome seat covers that we have inside here as well.
All right, guys, come on by our booth. Turbo is going to be here all week. Check out the vehicles we got on display that we've shown you, and see you at booth 25133.